So the synopsis of this hadith is very interesting in connection with this verse of the Quran, chapter 33, verse 70 and 71, and this hadith about breaking promises, lying, and people can't trust us with things. Prophet ﷺ says, when you are truthful, in connection with this verse, when you're truthful in your words, and people can trust your words, then your good words and your truthful words leads to good. Truth leads to good. Samajh gaya? And the Prophet ﷺ says, good leads to Jannah. Subhanallah. You see? So if you're good, the soul leads good, and the soul has a good journey to continue. That's what we're all about. Letting the soul have a happy life in this world and the hereafter. And the flip of that hadith is the Prophet ﷺ says, but lies, when a person lies, it leads to deceit. Then the person will deceive you. Then the person will create a scheme on you. One lie leads to another, then it becomes schemish, becomes crooked. Samajh gaya? Scheme, lie, crooked from that little lie. And what does that lead to? Bad. And what does bad lead to? Jahannam. See what the hadith speaks about this? Simple as this can lead us to Jahannam.